Got?
I clean it. I'm gonna turn down a few amps.
Did a little weld repair here today. Got this secondary boom attachment welded back up. Got a little bead in there, 7-18 bevel prep. Now we're gonna check operation on the Mini X. Let's run the main boom up, run the secondary boom out, all the way out. Okay, now run the main boom down, put pressure on the bucket, lift your front of your tracks up, more pressure, there you go. Now main boom up, curl the secondary boom in, main boom down, all the way. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. You're good. You got it. Good enough for now.